Hello dear students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Let's continue chapter number 10 of Geography, in which we are discussing about the Indian natural vegetation and wildlife. This is the second module of the chapter, and in this module first we shall study about the importance of forest. Forest, which are the valuable resource on the earth. They are important to us as they provide raw materials for certain industries. They provide food, fodder, fuel, fertilizer, fiber, honey, wax, wood for making furniture, medicinal herbs, etc. They prevent soil erosion and preserve the fertility of the soil. They provide moisture and lower the temperature. Moreover, they provide shelter to the wild animals and tribal people as well. They increase the fertility of soil by adding humus in it. Thus, forests are very useful for us. That is why we need to conserve the forest. The ways through which we can conserve the forest are: we should plant more and more trees. We should protect the existing trees. We should make people aware of the importance of trees. We should take initiatives in special programs like Van Mahotsav so that a large number of people could be involved in making our earth green. Wildlife. India has different types of animals, birds, reptiles, mammals, fishes, insects and worms. India has about 89,000 species of animals and 1200 species of birds. These animals are collectively known as the wildlife or fauna of a country. Thus, it can be said that fauna of a country refers to the forms of animals lives in a country. A large number of mammals they are also found in India. Rhinoceros, wild buffalo, elephants. These are the main mammals of India. Elephants are the largest mammals of India. They are mainly found in the wild areas of West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Assam, Central India, Kerala, etc. Rhinoceros that are found in Assam and West Bengal are the second largest mammals, while wild buffalo is found in Chhattisgarh and Assam. The Himalayan regions are the home of wild goats and snow leopards. Camels and wild asses. These are the most common animals of Thar Desert and Run of Kutch. Tiger and lion. These are important carnivores of India. Tiger is the national animal of India. They are found in the hilly areas of Himalayan mountains, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal, while lions are found in the Gir forest of Gujarat. India is also famous for reptiles. Snakes like cobra and python. These are numerous. India is the home of king cobra. Apart from this, crocodiles, ghadials and tortoise. These are some varieties of reptiles found in India. India also provides shelter for both the local and the foreign bird species. So dear student, this was all about this module. Thank you. Have a nice day.